thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Elbert County in northeastern Georgia, southern Hart County in northeastern Georgia until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Carnesville or 4 miles southwest of Victoria Bryant State Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include New Lowell, Cannon, Bowman, Royston, Newburgh,
Not for this area.
Victoria Bryant State Park.
Instead, we got a special weather statement.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWS. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: East Georgia, Albert, Franklin, and Hart. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until
Oh.
At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Seneca, or 6 miles northeast of Tougaloo State Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage.